Today is 17th May and you are watching Rising TV. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. OTP Less has raised $3.5 million in its pre-series of funding round led by SIDBI. Founded by Koldia, Satyam Nathani and Tanmay Sagar, OTP enables users to sign up and sign in on websites and apps via WhatsApp and other methods. This approach simplifies the process for users and weeds out the need for OTPs. OTP plans to use the new funds to expand its global presence and service beyond authentication and into authorization, said Koldia. Battery tech startup Battery Smart has raised $45 million in a new round from investors including Acacia Inclusion Limited, Muff Bank, Bloom Ventures, the Ecosystem Integrity Fund, and British International Investment. Established in 2019 by Pulkit Khurrana, Battery Smart provides advanced lithium-ion batteries for electric 2- and 3-wheelers which can be swapped with fully charged ones in just a few minutes at any of its swapping stations. The company plans to use the funds for expansion of its user base to 100,000 in another 10 cities in the next 12 months. Rooftop solar startup Solar Square has raised $4.2 million from existing investors Zerodha Technology, Abhijit Pai and Nikhil Kamat's Gruhas PropTech, Lower Cribbin Capital, and Good Capital. Founded by Neeraj Jain and Nikhil Nahar in 2015, designs, installs, and finances rooftop solar systems for homes. It also provides rooftop solar solutions for housing societies and commercial establishments. The funding will be used for the expansion, working capital requirements, and general corporate purposes, according to the filings. Mobility and energy solutions startup Mattel has raised $4 million in its series A round, led by Transition VC. The round also saw participation from Gruhas and Haresh Abichandani. Founded in 2017 by Netaji C. Petro, Mattel manufactures synchronous machines and motor controllers for e-mobility, industrial applications, agricultural pumping, and HVAC sector. The funds will be used to expand the team, which is currently sized 60 people, with hiring focused on doubling the research and development (R&D) team, Petro told ET. The Betel Leaf, a FSSAI-certified online pawn startup, has raised $1.2 million in its bridge round led by Inflection Point Ventures and Venture Catalysts. Founded in 2019 by Prem Raheja and Payal Raheja, the Betel Leaf is a D2C company that sells pawn and other pawn-based products online. The proceeds will be used to expand the current retail and online presence from 45 kitchens to 100 kitchens in India and overseas within the next 2 years. Online astrology platform InstaAstro has raised $2.3 million in a funding round led by Artha Venture Fund. The round also saw participation from LogX Ventures, Singularity Ventures, IR Capital Partners, Bloom Founders Fund and Aloke Bajpai, Managing Director and Chief Executive of Ixigo. The funds will be used to enhance the platform, onboard more astrologers, expand footprint and build a stronger brand presence. The Noida-based company is also launching new spiritual e-commerce, Daily Puja, and Reiki healing services. Founded in 2021 by Nitin Verma, InstaAstro offers horoscopes, tarot readings, and numerology in various regional languages.